It's 7:30 a.m. guys, no? So if you watch my previous vlogs about our workout, Sensei Doc Hiro loves to walk, no? So basically before he goes to work in Japan, he walks at least between 30 to 1 hour guys before working. So that's a good exercise, no? Maraming benefits kasi yung walking. Let's go! So guys, 30 minutes na we're still walking, no? 30 minutes na have passed and Sensei or Doc Hiro still very strong. Imagine at 65 years old, no? Grabe ang lakas niya. Why? Consistency. Because in exercise, if you keep doing it, either walking or going to the gym, just stay consistent and you'll never know, no? Na at this age you can still do it because of consistency. There's Doc Hiro. Hi Sensei. Hajime Master.
Kuya.
Okay, over there.
passport ko. Kasi po tabi.
Passport, nakakaliwa.